Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time deposit with CIMB Bank. We will guide you through the entire process, ensuring you understand each step clearly. A time deposit is a secure way to grow your savings, offering fixed interest rates over a set period. By the end, you will be well equipped to confidently open your own time deposit account and start earning on your funds. To begin, let's cover who is eligible and what documents you will need. Generally, individuals must be at least 18 years old. You will need your national identification card and a recent utility bill or bank statement as proof of address. For foreign nationals, a valid passport and visa are typically required. Having these ready will significantly speed up your application process. Now, let's walk through the application process itself. You can choose to visit any CIMB Bank branch, where a customer service representative will assist you. Alternatively, check if an online application is available for your convenience. Carefully fill out the time deposit application form, providing all necessary details. Finally, make your initial deposit, which can vary, but is often as low as 1,000 units of local currency. Once your time deposit is active, you can enjoy its many features. CIMB Bank offers various tenures, typically ranging from 1 month to 60 months, allowing you to choose what best suits your financial goals. You will benefit from competitive interest rates, providing a predictable return on your investment. Remember to review the terms regarding early withdrawals, as penalties may apply. This ensures you make informed decisions about your savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.